Hi, welcome to the BeHeard application demo. There's two parts in this video. The first part that we look at is the stand which we offer as part of this. Starting at the bottom of the stand, there is 4 mounts, so if you want to screw this mount directly to the floor, you can do. We do also offer some tabletop mounts as well. Then going up the mount, there's a leg, so if you want to hide the cable, you can run your charge cable around the back of this. And then at the top of the mount, your tablet will sit inside. But on the left hand side here, you'll see that there's a key if you do want to lock the tablet in place so that it can't be taken out by a user or a member of the public. Now moving over to the app side, there are different types of questions and response types that you can capture from your customers. So on the screen here, these are some of the answers types that we can capture. You'll also see that there are 2 languages available. So at the moment you can have, for example, English and German, you can have English and Urdu. But all a customer or a user does is they go through, they can fill in the responses. Customer would go through and fill that in. When they get to the end of the form, there is a control available on the system side, where if you do want to capture a customer's details for example, for remarketing, then you can do that here. And once they're happy, the customer will click submit, and that will then bring them back around in the form for the next customer to fill in.